Double Bell 723-1911. Shoutout kay Sir Teodolo De Leon ng Cabanatuan City. So, naka metal slide, metal yung lower frame, threaded outer barrel, may hammer pad protection, markings, ayun yung markings nya. So, may kasama na rin siyang case, cleaning rod, and itong nozzle, extra nozzle. Price is 4,000. So check nyo na lang to guys sa budget meal folder natin sa Google Drive. Chrono check 328, 322, 316. So for details, PM kayo sa page namin, Mavs Hobby Shop.